Hi, my name is Alyssa Hundley, and this is my Recipétit app. I am doing a screen recording of how it works because this is an iOS app that I have made, and because it's not yet published on the App Store, I can't just send you a link or anything to have you download it. And so I'm just going to do a walkthrough of all of the functionality so you can see exactly how it works. When I had originally submitted my assignment in week 10, I had done a prototype, and it was working pretty well, but then after the usability study, the feedback I got was that the users were a little bit confused because it was just a prototype, and I have been working on this app for my capstone project, and now that I am finished with it, as my final, I can actually submit and show you what I have done. So I took the suggestions from all of the users and made some changes in my actual capstone project to be able to make it better, which is awesome. It was perfect that I could work on the design for it in this class and make my capstone better. So the idea is this is a recipe saving app, so the user has these 9 different categories that they can save recipes to. I will just show you here if you wanted to go into, say, the snacks category. These are recipes that have already been saved. If we go here and we can view French fries. So we have the ingredients and the instructions and the name of the recipe that's saved and is pulling up. And then we can go back and then view a different one. If the user wants to add a new recipe here, we'll just click there and we'll say recipe name is going to be we'll just do some sweet potatoes, and then we'll just say ingredients here, and just to make it easy, we'll just do sweet potato, and then we'll do instructions, cut up, mash, cook, just to make it simple and fast. And then you'll save it, and then now after it's saved, sweet potatoes will show up here, and then you can go in and see all the details of it. The other thing too is that you can add a photo, and the idea isn't to add a photo to one of these recipes here, it's to add a screenshot of a recipe. I have a lot of just random screenshots of recipes that I found online in my photos, so I thought it would be a good idea, and from the users that I interviewed to form my persona and scenario, they said they would like to have a place to put all their screenshots of recipes as well. So you can choose a picture, and because I'm using a simulator, I don't actually have a screenshot of a recipe on here, but we'll just use these flowers, and then we'll select them, and then we'll just say flower dish, and then we can save it right here. And then when you go back into that recipe, there is the screenshot and the name of the dish that you saved. The other thing here too is that you can enter a recipe name and then a URL, and then that will link you to a recipe found online. So I actually have one in here in salads that I had already done. So this was the URL that I entered, and then when we click on it, it actually takes us to the web page where you can view that recipe. And the same thing goes with every category in here. It has the same functionality and same view. And that is the entire app.